Let me show you the app I use to track my cryptocurrency. It's called CoinStats.app. Now, I used it to track all of my cryptocurrency, very simple and very easy. And yes, you can click on the link below. There is a free account that you can do. You can upgrade to a pro membership like me, or you can consider this premium membership where you get more additional information. It's actually really cool, and I'm considering upgrading to the premium membership. But I just want to show you where I track my cryptocurrency and encourage you to use this site. Click on the link below, upgrade to pro membership, or you can still use the free membership. And let's talk about CoinStats right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. I love this site because if I'm trying to connect my wallet, I click here and look at all these wallets. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. It has basically every wallet in mankind. In mankind, you're going to find your wallet in here. If you don't find your wallet, you can click on Add Manual Portfolio. So you can actually add your portfolio here if you don't find your wallet here. So I think it's really cool and very easy to do. I actually can change it night or day. So if you got something, your eyes are playing tricks on you, you can use the light version or you can use the dark version. Okay, the next thing I want to show you is the live prices. So you can actually check out your favorite cryptocurrency and see how it's doing in terms of the performance. I love this. And if you don't see it in here, you can type in that cryptocurrency. So if I'm typing in 𝐿-𝐂𝐸, I see it right here, right there. I can click on there and it'll give me the information about 𝐿-𝐂𝐸. So if I go back here, I can click on exchanges. So these are the exchanges that you can look at and see what the volume is and also see what the change 24 hours is and the launch year and month, which is very, very cool. And of course, you got favorites, default, and heat map. Now, the area that I'm sure you want to see is the portfolio tracker. Now, this is really cool. So when you connect your portfolio together, like we did earlier, you're going to get all your stuff that's going to be loaded in. Now, what I did is I named some of mine just by clicking on one. This is my 10K to $1 million challenge. I can click here and rename this. That's the wallet address that it's feeding from. And I can click here and rename that information right there. So you can rename the wallet right here, right? You can click on all assets, and that's going to be everything that you loaded in. I don't have everything loaded in here yet, but I have, about most of the stuff is in there now. I'm still trickling things in here as we speak. I don't have everything in here yet. So you can also do your crypto.com app. So if you got assets in your crypto.com, you actually can use this by CSV file. And it's very simple to do that. Just follow instructions when you connect your portfolio. When you connect your portfolio together. Now, the crypto.com app, you must use your cell phone, your mobile device, and it's going to ask you what to do. Celsius network the same way. So this is amazing. I really, really like this. Now, if you click on wallet, this is the information if you're using your mobile device. If you're trying to connect to Google Play Store or download the App Store, you can download the actually app of CoinStats. And of course, the actually swap information is down here as well. USDT, so you can check this as well. So if you USD, you can check Ethereum. And what happens is it's going to show how much Ethereum is your portfolio is worth. If I click on BTC, it's going to say, okay, your whole entire portfolio is worth 1.4 Bitcoin. It's actually pretty cool. And you go all the way down here to different type of currency. So if we click on USD, we can see this is worth the USD in terms of that as well. The sync all means that you can sync this, which means it upgrades or it kind of refreshes your actually assets. Your swap information is right here. NFTs is there as well, which I think is really cool. I've got one NFT as in right now that's loaded in. I do have more, but like I said, I'm still trickling things down. Your open orders and your transactions. So click on the link below, sign up. I advise you to get to at least the pro membership for you can see more additional information right here. I advise you to do this right here. It's $3.49. Come on, guys. So I mean, I'm sure you can do this. And the premium, consider this as well because it gives you more information as well. And they do have a help desk information if you got any questions about it as well. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. This is what I've been using lately to track my cryptocurrency. I advise you to check this out, do your research, but I advise you to become a pro member so you can track your assets each and every single day from your phone, your desktop, or even your tablet. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Let's go ahead and track that cryptocurrency. I can't wait for you to sign up. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you on the next video.